My name is Krystal Talato, Talato. I guess officially since high school, I was able to do kind of a Pro Start program for people that were on the career path. I took a couple classes at my home school, and then I was able to go to a career center and actually practice in the kitchen. My dad loved to cook a lot. He was the main reason that inspired me to cook at a very young age. He just enjoyed cooking at home so much. And then as I got older, maybe around middle school, I was able to experiment a little when I was like home alone. And then I just really knew that that's what I wanted to do.
Be sure to subscribe to our channel if you haven't already, because subscribing makes you feel warm and fuzzy inside. So just do it!